What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a stock watch list on Google Finance. So you want to open up your browser guys, ensure that you have an active internet connection, and once you sign into your Google account, right, you want to ensure that you click the Google apps on the upper right hand side and just scroll down in the list and find finance. You can open the finance from here. Alternatively, if you head over to Google and just simple type in Google Finance, you will be able to search for Google Finance and it's going to take you right over to Google Finance, right? But I always go ahead and access it from my Google apps, and I just simply go down to finance and open up the finance. Now, once you're inside finance, in order to create a stock watch list, it is super easy. All you have to do is just simply look to the upper left hand side, click this burger menu here, and you will find a watch list. Now, I want to mention this. A watch list can easily be created by you just start to add any stock that you find in a watch list. But you can easily go ahead and create your own custom watch list by clicking on the plus and just go ahead and just call it whatever you want. So I'm going to just call this one my stocks, right? So let me go ahead and call it my stocks and just click and save. Now, once you click and save, it's going to create that watch list for you. And right here, as you can see, it's empty. And I can start by clicking on, for example, add investment. I can click on this plus at the bottom here where it says add investment, and I can click on the stock section, and I can just start by scrolling through and just start to add whatever stocks I want, right? Now, so let's say I want to add Tesla here. I can add Tesla right here, and it's going to be added into my watch list, right? So that's how you create it and how you can add it. Now, at any point in time you want to actually access your watch list, you can simply click the burger menu on the left hand side, click on that stock watch list that you created, and you can click you can scroll down and you can find other opportunities that you want, so you can add them in. So let's say I want to add NVIDIA, I can click on the plus there to, let's say, follow NVIDIA or add it to that watch list. Or alternatively, you can just simply click on the add investment button here, and you can start by searching again and add whatever. So I'm going to click on stock again, and let's say this time I want to add Roblox. I can click on that and I can add it, and as you can see, it's added there guys. And that's how you go ahead and create a watch list, and that's how you go ahead and add whatever stock you want into those watch lists. Very easy and very simple.